The first question here asks about the percentage change in the number of shares outstanding for these companies. If you see closely, you'll realize that the profit has increased by only 50%, but the earning per share has increased by 70%. So that means the number of shares must have decreased. What is that change we must look at? So P by N is the ratio earlier. Now the number of shares, let's call it X. This is a new number of shares. The new profit is 1.5p. That's the new profit. The new number of shares outstanding X. This value is 70% more than the older value, 1.7 times this value. So now let's find a ratio between X and N. P's get cancelled. X upon N is equal to 1.5 upon 1.7. That's approximately 0.88. So the ratio is 0.88. That means N has reduced by approximately 12%. So the first answer here must be 12%, minus 12%. Of course, it's a decrease of 12%. First answer must be minus 12. Second question asks about P by E ratio, where P is the pre-tax profit, rather E is the pre-tax profit, E is the pre-tax profit or earning, and P is the price per share. Let's figure out this ratio. P by E ratio, what happened? The average price of share has reduced by 5%. It's clarified here. So if earlier the price was P, P has become 0.95p now, the average price per share. P by E ratio is what it is asking. The earning per share has increased by 70%. So what was E earlier has become 1.7 E. So P by E ratio turns out to be 0.95 upon 1.7, which is somewhere between 0.5 and 0.6, 0.56 almost. So E has become almost 0.56 E, which is a decrease of approximately 44%. So yeah, minus 44% decrease is the right answer. So the right answer here is minus 44%. For the first one, the right answer is minus 12%, and therefore these are the right combination of answers.